Bro, it's so quiet. It's so quiet. And then you just got me coming out to my car. And then I'm about to just start it. Nah, you guys don't really want to see how loud it is? Like, bro, somebody's just started over there and, like, he's quiet. Bro, I'm like, me and my neighbor over there is the loudest, you guys. And, like, I'm just gonna put you guys on the tripod right there, and I'm gonna show you guys how loud I am. Brother. Like, when I tell you I start this thing up and it's pretty loud, it's pretty loud. It's a fucking car, bro. Loud ass fucking car. But like, once it cools down, it's quiet. See? Now it just shut down, and now it's like quiet. But yeah, basically, I just wanted to show you guys the car basically at home, because I basically have it now. But yeah, the video that I basically made, oh, let me just turn the camera on. Bruh, this NSX looks so clean. I really shifted with one hand. Alright, you guys might hear some weird sounds, but it's fine. I probably look so retarded to the other coming traffic. Traffic is not on my side, you guys, right now. So I currently gotta shift from, what is it, first to fucking fourth, because third basically is out, and that shit's super annoying. So we're kind of just balling it out on the transmission. You know, I gotta get bills paid. Gotta get them bills paid. I've really gotten it down though, of like handling down the clutch and the you know, and the shifter. but I can't tell what it is. I want to get off of this road. That road is a disaster.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.